I've got a really super magnetic Flagman wigwag. It's got an original banner from Pacific Electric. The box has got a brake on it. This magnetic Flagman works so well it'll work off of 6 volts DC. And the brake works perfect. I'll run it here and show you. We just hit the switch right here up to 6 volts. And this is the brake that you're looking at here, and when it energizes the magnets, it lifts that up. It is a Pacific Electric banner. It's got the crimp around the edge here, which is hard to see in this light, but it's there. It's got glass lenses. It's a really nice old banner. Lettering on it there. It's got the sides for it, for both sides down here. It's really nice inside. I just haven't cleaned it because it's never needed it. And if you're interested, let me know quick, because I might keep this one. This is the only one I have with a brake on it. I might take one down that doesn't have a brake and sell that instead. But there's no cracks or any breaks or welds or anything to it. It's just a really nice wigwag. And also included with it is this cantilever. It fits a 5.5-inch outside diameter pole. You can slide down the pole, or you can put it on top of the pole and put this cap on it. There's no brakes on this either. And if interested, I've got this pile of stuff over here too I just want to get rid of. There is a mechanism for an H5 searchlight. There's a light box for an H5 and an H2. Then there's junction boxes, conduits, clamps, a bunch of other stuff. If you buy the wigwag, I'll throw all this stuff in. If you don't want this stuff, that's fine. I'll find someone who does and give it away or sell it or whatever. So anyways, that's it. Got the cantilever. If you don't want the cantilever, you don't need to buy the cantilever. Let's turn this on again. Like I said, this one will actually run on 6 volts. It's amazing. It's such a nice one. And this wire here, these are just wires from the banner. They're just hanging down. They should be a little bit longer and be hooked up correctly. So that's it. And has glass lenses, magnetic Flagman glass lenses in it too.